Okay guys, so this is gonna be a video showing you how I put my lashes on a day-to-day basis. Sorry about the noise. I was by a really messed up heater. But of course you want to pick your pair of lashes and get you some lash glue. I personally use hair glue. I have used these before, so you just see me pulling off old lash glue. So you're gonna get you a mirror or something where you can see and kind of just put the lash up to your eye, see how it'll look. When you figure out if you need to cut them or not, you'll take your glue and start applying it onto your lash band. Here I just use anything random that I could kind of dip in there, just because my bottle stops working a lot and I'm not able to squeeze any lash glue out. Well, glue out, since it's not lash glue. When you think you got it, you're gonna go ahead and start applying your lash to your eyelid. I don't put it directly on my hairs, so I never really have a problem with it being that hair bonding glue. This could take a while. You can see that I did my nails in this video, so they're pretty long and I was able to use those. But I know a lot of people use tweezers. I personally only use tweezers when I'm trying to kind of seal it. I don't really need them for this part. And don't mind my nails, because you'll see on my other hand that one of my lashes, one of my nails is off on my pinky, but let's just ignore it. We did this one pretty quick. It was quick in real time too. Usually one eye is always quick and the other one takes longer, but you'll see me here kind of just looking at it, checking it out, seeing if I need to take it off and redo it, have any gaps or anything like that. So you always want to get close and look at your lashes so you're not looking crazy. And then you're gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing, but now with your other eye. Honestly, this one did give me some trouble. I think I did it once or twice, so you'll see me kind of cut it out here and there in the video just because it was taking way too long. But that's fine. Sometimes you have to take them off, put glue back on, readjust them, stuff like that. It's normal. You see me doing the same thing here, putting the lash up against my eye, seeing how it's gonna look. And then from here, I'm gonna go right into that mirror and start applying this lash to my eye in the spot that I see most fit. I do let the glue get a little tacky, so I don't do it while it's completely wet for me just putting it on. I'll wait a second. And I would just say, however you're gonna apply them, just go ahead and take your time and really make sure that it's in the right spot. One of the worst things you can do is have your lashes all wacky because they're not placed correctly, because in pictures it looks crazy. Here you see me going in with those tweezers and trying to set that lash onto my eyelid. I'll say the hairs touch a little bit with my lashes, but not that much, just because I don't want to pull them off. But I only use the tweezers simply because I had nails on and it's a little bit harder. But when I don't have nails on, I pretty much just squeeze it with my hand unless I really need to use tweezers. So you're gonna go ahead and check them out and then do the same thing to the other eye. And kind of messing with this eye is when I noticed that I needed to just go ahead and completely take it off and start over because it didn't really stick. So here you see me pulling that lash off. All right, y'all, here we are trying again. I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this up. You see me kind of using my nails to anchor the lash a little bit, and you'll see me kind of pinch the inner corner. That's usually what I end up doing with the tweezers, but nails is a plus. You can always use it for that too. So now that I have both lashes on, I go in with my spoolie that I used to use when I did people's lash extensions. I feel like it just helps kind of spread out the lash strips a little bit more, especially if I've used them before and there might be some glue here and there. So I'm gonna do that to both eyes. You will see me when I go to my, I thought I heard a dog barking, but you'll see when I go to my left eye, since I had to redo it, I'm first gonna go in with those tweezers, secure the lash, and this once again is just smushing them together. I know you've probably seen people do this before, so it's really nothing to it. And then after I have this part done, that is when I will go in on my left eye with the spoolie brush. I didn't want to go in just with the spoolie because if I didn't do this securing stage, that spoolie might actually make those lashes just come right off. And we do not want that because we've already redone them once now, and I just don't have that kind of patience. If I have to do it 2-3 times, I might just say forget it and not do my lashes that day. which is okay. We have our good and bad days, y'all. And here you see me just pushing them into the direction I want a little bit more. Again, I've used these, so there could have been some glue or anything like that. And from here, you just want to kind of look at them and see if there's anything you want to fix. And then y'all already know, when we have our hair done, that's a big part of the look. So sorry if I keep touching my hair, but that's how I see if the whole look is going together. So again, you want to come closer to a mirror or your phone, anything that you can see yourself, and you want to go close up so that you can see everything, especially both lashes. Make sure that they're in line. I just decided to put on some lip gloss so y'all can see the full look put together. Of course, it's not makeup or anything, but you know, typical lashes, lip gloss kind of thing. I'm pretty sure this one was from Bath and Body Works, one of the newer ones. Well, not new anymore, it's been a while, but yeah, one of those. And then I'm also gonna go on top of that one with another one from Bath and Body Works. I can't tell which one that was exactly, but I know it has like a nude tint to it, and it's one of those shimmer glosses. And now that we have our lip gloss on, I am gonna go in with some eyeliner. I don't actually do this every day, but I never really use black unless I'm going somewhere. I like to use a light brown. I started doing that in high school, and I thought that it just looked a little cuter and less harsh. So you see me doing that here. Gonna go ahead and do both of my bottom eyelids. I don't know, what is it called? Waterline or something? Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do both of those. Here I am after doing all that. It's really light and subtle. I feel like it doesn't stand out too much. I also am gonna go in and just kind of go over my eyebrow a tiny bit with the end of the brush that I use to put the glue on my lash line. I just flip it around and you see it has like the angled brush on it. But I just want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and look forward to my next video. Thanks.